Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another video and back to the channel. This is gonna be a super fun, entertaining vlog, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Today is the day we are headed out to Southern California. Whew, I'm getting anxiety just thinking about this long ass drive. I got everything packed, got my tools, got obviously all my detailing products for the car, got my camera equipment, got my drone. It's gonna be a damn good time. Let's hit the road. Also, my friends over at Van Tour were kind enough to send me a dash cam for this car, for this road trip, just in case anything happens like on the road. Say another freaking plywood board flies up and hits my car. So I'm gonna set this thing up on the car. If you guys wanna pick one of these up, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. These are like the nicest dash cams I've ever seen. Of course, I had to come by the coffee stand, say our last goodbyes to Bobby.
Oh, you're out of your car?
All right, let's get back on the road. I'm gonna go meet up with my buddy Brandon washing this. I'm sure you guys have seen him on the channel before. He's been on here a few times. What up, what up? He's been on here a few times. He's gonna be my driving buddy down to Southern California. This is like a 17 or 18 hour drive, so I'm definitely not wanting to do this by myself. What's up, B? Someone steal your girl?
What's a road trip without Devin?
Right? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you? Bro?
Yeah, I'm
How
actually
far
like
is it?
18 and a half hours.
Wild. So the whole time we've been driving, I've been hearing one of my rear wheels smashing off something. So it's hitting the stock body of the car and it's literally chunking out my tire. Let me show you guys. My tire is like ripping apart on the stock body right there. Do you see that? You see where that vinyl's kind of peeling off? So I have a set of pliers with me. Thankfully, I brought a bunch of tools, and I'm gonna try to like bend that in. If that doesn't work, I'm probably gonna have to take the wheel off, grab a hammer, and just bend the shit out of it until I can get back home and cut it properly and re-weld it. I definitely can't get to it with pliers, so I'm gonna actually pull the wheel off right now and grab a hammer and just bend the shit out of it. Yeah, I can hear it. Look how bad this tire is getting. That shit is gnarly as fuck. Yeah, I think I'm fixing this. It's literally like chunking it out.
It's digging it out.
That's loud.
Is that like your actual like stock fender? Pretty much?
Yeah, stock body, yeah. Technically I should cut it more and re-weld it, but I didn't bring a fucking welder with me. So. I think we're good. Stance boy life, bro. This is the shit you gotta deal with when you have modified cars. Like, I feel like there's always random little weird things going on, but I don't mind, honestly, and Brandon doesn't mind hanging out with me and fixing my shit on the side of the road. We should be good. Should be good?
I hope so.
Let's do it. After all that fun we were just having, we're both damn near on E. We're both almost out of gas. His gas light's on, mine's not on yet, but we have like 40 miles to go until the gas station. Let's hope we make it.
It says there's a Shell right here.
I am past E, bro.
I know, there's a gas station right there.
Okay.
But it said there was a Shell right here.
Damn.
Whoa!
That was a little close.
Yeah.
That was scary.
I got rubber.
From what?
Burnouts? No, just rubbing. Look, there's just a solid line.
Damn. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to the video. We're currently in Bend, Oregon. We stayed the night here last night. This car's actually not bad to sleep in. I just slid the seat forward a little bit so I could put the back like all the way back and crashed out for a few hours. We got here like at 3 a.m. It's now 6:30 and we're about to hit the road again. I think I'm gonna head to San Jose, meet up with some people there, and then Brandon is gonna make his way all the way down to Los Angeles today.
What?
Hi.
Hi.
How was it?
Actually really comfy.
Mine wasn't bad either, dude, honestly. Literally the first thing I always do now is check my tire pressure right when I wake up, make sure we're good to go. It's so freaking nice to have this just live right on my screen. Just pull it up, make sure we're good, and we can dip out. Thank you, bro.
I actually took a snap of it right when I pulled up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good, how are you doing?
Yeah, you're way down there.
Yeah, right? Well, we finally made it to somewhere in California. I have no clue where we are. Are you coming to the Bay Area?
Yeah, I'm shooting that Mustang on the way home now.
Apparently Brandon wants McDonald's, so we're gonna go grab McDonald's. I can't really eat much here, bro. I'm dieting. I'll make it work though. I'll get like a McChicken with no mayonnaise or something. I'll make it work. There's nothing else around here anyway.
I thought I was picky, but you're like extra. I can't have this, I can't have that.
Dude, we're going to Hawaii soon. Bobby is always shredded, so I gotta look somewhat good. You guys ready for McDonald's edit? So we made it out to San Jose finally, and the reason why we came here instead of going straight to LA is to meet up with my buddy Kaz. This car is absolutely wild and insane. It has way more camber in person than it does on YouTube. Check this thing out, guys. Damn. Oh, there you are. What's up, bro? How you doing? This thing looks so good in person, man.
Nah, it looks worse in person.
No, dude. It's so clean.
How's your drive?
Far.
Far?
Yeah, it was pretty far. So Kaz brought us up into like these little rolling hills, mountains up here. This makes me want to move to Northern California so bad. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the view. Let's go check out Kaz's car some more. The thing is so nice in person, and it's like I said earlier, it's always funny how cars have way more camera in person than they do like on camera or YouTube or whatever. This thing looks really good.
Yeah, it was pretty warm earlier.
Those hills look fucking cool.
Oh, air down a little bit so it's not so stiff. I didn't last long. Hurry up, take one, take one.
Is it okay if we snap one photo?
You can snap all the photos you want, but I'm writing you a bunch of tickets.
Oh, fuck. Holy shit.
Did you mess up or what?
What happened?
That was close.
Well, my air just like glitched out.
Damn.
Shut it up.
Sorry about that.
Really air it up.
No, you're good. That was crazy.
That shouldn't happen when this is emergency brake.
My mistake.
I know it's an addiction, guys. Does that make sense at all?
The VIN should be in the front windshield.
run down that car.
Yeah, that was sketchy.
I don't know why you guys did that. I was like, I
save
mean,
it.
yeah, but it's like,
Yeah.
Yeah, all I hear is, and I'm still like looking at my phone. I was like, what was that? I was like, oh fuck.
Yo, Brandon, what happened back there?
There's no signs or anything that say no parking. There's nothing that says authorized vehicles only. It's literally a trail that's obviously meant for cars, and there's an open gate, so it looks like an open road for like you to like take like an SUV up to like go picnic or something. And then the second we parked there, Ranger comes up, doesn't even like talk to us to see if we're cool or nice or whatever, and just already has his ticket book out and just that stuff pisses me off. He's such a dick.
And then he didn't even help like catching the car.
Yeah, and the car randomly airs up, and for some reason he doesn't have his e-brake on, and it starts rolling, and the cop's just like,
Just like
okay.
that.
I'll just let this kid's car destroyed.
I don't know if you guys saw that. His car randomly aired up and started rolling away. I like jumped in front of it. Did you catch it too?
Huh?
You
I
were there.
fell onto the trunk.
Oh really?
Did nothing. Just with my tiny arm.
So thankfully we caught the car. It didn't hit anything. It's all good to go. But yeah, the cop was a giant dick and he didn't help with anything. There was like a sign and a brick barrier there, and thankfully it didn't go that far and didn't hit either of those. So it's still in good shape. I am gonna wrap up the video right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna head to LA. I will see you in that next video.